Hey, crypto family. So, in my last video, I talked about the flappening, which is Litecoin taking over Bitcoin Cash and market cap. Now, today we're going to talk about exactly which coin is winning in the cash fork, as well as what coins are outperforming the market and some Bitcoin analysis. So, first article here is by CoinDesk, and it says 1 month later, which crypto is winning the Bitcoin Cash split? So, as you know, whenever Bitcoin Cash had its hard fork, became around $300, whereas Bitcoin SV was $90. Now, since then, you can actually see you get Bitcoin Cash on top and then Bitcoin SV on the bottom. You can actually see now they're nearly identical in price. So on the 7th of December, Bitcoin SV actually passed Bitcoin Cash and it became in the top 5 spot. And now it's slowly below it. So you can see here on CoinMarketCap, Bitcoin Cash is at $77, Bitcoin SV is at $68. So that's a big hit for Bitcoin Cash, seeing how much value it has lost. And again, I see that as a win for Bitcoin SV, but again, it's anyone's guess. I don't really believe in either of these coins. This is just kind of something fun to look at and exactly see, how far down Bitcoin Cash has come and exactly, where it was before. So it was that coin where everyone was thinking it was going to pass Bitcoin, and now look at it. I mean, it's in the 8th spot, potentially going even lower. So something to keep in mind when you are trading these hard forks. Again, a lot of times it divides the miners, divides the community, and it's not good for anyone. So just keep that in mind when trading these. Right now, Bitcoin SV is showing a descending triangle, which is bearish, and then Bitcoin Cash is continuing in that downward channel, which is also bearish. So again, just keep that in mind when you are, deciding to trade these things. And as far as the winner is concerned, I don't really see a clear winner right now. I see them both declining, but if I had to bet my money, I know Bitcoin SV has had some pumps, after it declines. So potentially looking at that one, but again, I wouldn't trade either of these. It's just way too risky. So with that, going to the next article of coins that have been outperforming the market. So in no way do I endorse these coins or telling you to buy them. This is just from this article and stuff that I believe is useful when talking about different cryptocurrencies and the team working behind them. So it says here, 3 cryptocurrencies decoupling from Bitcoin into 2019: PAL, TRX, and Waves. So it says 2018 was an underwhelming compared to 2017. The bear market went into full swing and most cryptocurrencies lost over 80%. Bitcoin has begun decoupling from many cryptocurrencies, including those having some of the biggest developments of 2018. Waves, Tron, and PAL are 3 cryptocurrencies that are preserved through the bear market. So it talks about some developments with each of these cryptocurrencies. Well, it says Tron of December 31st, 2017 was not in the top 15. Over the year, they've burned 1 billion tokens, launched their mainnet in May, and then the mainnet was further developed the following month with the release of Odyssey 2.0. Tron also announced a $100 million gaming fund to increase the development and use of Tron games. And these developments during the height of the bear market speak volumes about Tron's team. So regardless if you like Tron or not, today it's up 0.5%. It's been holding its value pretty well. And it seems like, a lot of companies are laying off people and not able to support them during this bear market. But Tron is constantly being able to provide value and actually, perform more things for the company and continue to, increase their presence in the crypto space, which is something I think is great. Like them or hate them, they are still continuing to move forward during this bear market. And then you have Waves here that says it's been the most notable cryptocurrency regarding the decoupling of BTC. And Waves is a self-proclaimed fastest blockchain platform with real-world solutions for trading on a decentralized exchange and running smart contracts. So Waves is the number 22 coin. It's up 5% today, and it's actually been doing pretty good over the past couple of months. It's gained a lot of value versus Bitcoin, and I believe, it's a coin that a lot of people like. I know if you watch Crypto News with Matt Beasley, his channel is now Big Beezy Podcast, but he's actually really bullish on Waves, and then a couple other YouTubers are bullish as well. So that's one I've seen around. And then it also talks about PAL Network, and it's considered the cryptocurrency, quote, moonshot on this list due to their tiny market cap. While Waves is ranked 22, and Tron is actually ranked number 10 by market cap. PAL's market cap is just under 2 million, which is 1/100th of Waves or 1/400th of Tron. the multiple aspects that make PAL noteworthy. They were selected from over 60 entrants to be a part of the PayPal incubator. Their mainnet launch was moved up to the end of December, 3 months ahead of schedule. And then PAL partnered with major projects such as NIM, Quantum, DGX, and MEDX. And their CEO and founder was featured in Forbes Asia 30 Under 30. Having under 2 million market cap was interesting, but beating deadlines by months with a top-tier CEO is noteworthy. So again, a lot of good developments by these 3 companies, and I believe that they're going to do very well in 2019. So if you have any extra capital laying around, again, does beg you to look at these 3. Again, I'm not endorsing these, but just some good developments on 3 of these companies, and some that are producing some very good results during this bear market. So it says, looking to 2019, the bull markets have statistically lasted under 3 months. This means the bear market is not necessarily over. However, cryptocurrency markets as a whole generally pumped as the halving approaches and passes. The Bitcoin halving is under 540 days away. So that's another video I'm going to make about the Bitcoin halving. Still a year and a half away, but that's going to be something that I believe is going to have a huge impact on the market. So, well, as we get closer to that, I'll definitely make more videos about that. And it says right now, cryptocurrencies are focusing on building during this bear market period that will likely be one that continues to exist and thrive through the next bull run. So again, the companies that are actually still innovating and still, continuing to make new projects, those are the ones that are going to continue to excel versus the ones that are laying off people and having to shut down. So with that, going and look at the market today. So the market cap is $101.5 billion. Now, I want to really emphasize the importance of a $100 billion market cap. So if you look here, this is the 7-day chart on the total market cap, and you can see that we've come close to breaking that $100 million market cap, or $100 billion, sorry, but we have not broken below it. And I think that's a very psychological level in the crypto space. So if you look at the past year, we haven't even come close to that. But if you go all, you can see the last time we were at a $100 billion market cap, keep going down here, is near August of last year. So again, we are retracing a lot from last year, and I believe this is a very, very important psychological level. And if we do break $100 billion market cap, again, that'll, have a lot more people get into that capitulation stage, maybe thinking that, hey, there's no reason to hold cryptocurrencies anymore. So I just want to bring that up because we are very close to that and could potentially break that within the next couple of days or weeks. Now, looking at Bitcoin, it's down 0.24% today to $3,221. Ripple's down 1% to 28.3 cents. Ethereum stagnant at $84. Tether's $1, and then Stellar is down 2.8% to 9.4 cents. And then you have Litecoin here, still above Bitcoin Cash, sitting up 2.94% to $23.68. Now, looking at the analysis for Bitcoin, this is the 4-hour chart here, and I mentioned this $3,000 to $3,200 support level is very important. There's a lot of supply here. 3,000, this is a weekly support level that we had last year. This was a very important level, so this is one I believe we need to hold. Unless we break that, we're going to go down to 2,500 or below. But this 3,200 has seemed to be providing good support. Right now, it's potentially acting as resistance as we broke below it. But if we can get back above that, I believe that will be good for us. And then continuing to break this 50-day moving average of 3,360. So again, these levels I'm looking out for. The RSI here, still very oversold, has plenty of room to run. Then you go to the daily chart, and it's actually even more oversold. So that tells you, there's still a lot more room to run. And then you go on the weekly chart, and it's actually the first time on the weekly that the RSI, has been this oversold. So you can scroll all the way back, and the RSI has never been this oversold on the weekly. So just something to keep in mind. I don't know how much longer this bear market is going to last. I'm expecting at least a couple more months going into next year, maybe even waiting until the end of next year. I mean, it's anyone's guess right now. But, just preserve your capital, set your stops, and trade accordingly. So with that, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, comment, and subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. Until next time, thanks for watching.